Come take a look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, skid plate package, frame-mounted shields, LPO, bed rail protectors and the trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.